I'm at my corner here. There's concrete splattered all over this, so I'm gonna have to get my hammer and clean that up. I'm laying a 7-course lead. I got a jam there.
Yeah, I
I got a doorway right here. So I'm gonna come up too high with that. So I'm gonna put my 2nd course on here, step back, and nothing in this wall. Normal lead. Two courses up here. Now I gotta check my height with the lead I built over there. So I like to use a laser to get the beep beep. I made sure my transit was higher than the lead and every other material pile around there, so it hits my transit. So I'll lay 2 courses already. I'm just in time to get my height. Almost missed it. It's too fast.
Really good until I got to the bag. Why? No, just the whole bag.
So I got that flat line. Now I gotta go to my lead over there and see if I hit it. So here we are. It's telling me I gotta come up. It looks like about 1/8 to 1/4 inch. So now I'll check it on my 3rd course, 4th course, 5th course, 6th course, all the way up. Just like I talked about in the last video, I do the same exact thing every single time. I spread that mud, lay the block, level the tops, plumb each individual block, plumb down on the corners, the edges of my level, and then straight edge. Then I check the heights. Got it on that course. Every single time, spread the mud, lay the block, level the tops, plumb each block, plumb down the corners, and straight edge. Fill in that little hole on your corner, check the heights. Every single time, you can see it as fast paced. I never change it up. I got this lead built up here, and it's pretty much exactly the same as the other side, except it's a corner, not a jam. So same thing. I just level the top. Plumb. I take my 4. Now it's way up in the air. I can't get around here. So I gotta reach over, chase down at this level, put my fingers against it so it stays tight against the bottom. Tap her in, plumb. Same thing on the other side. All corners. Chase her down, and then straight edge. Always do the same exact thing every single time. Level, plumb, plumb down, straight edge. Every single time. Level, plumb, plumb down, straight edge. Every single time. I like to fill this hole in on my corners when I'm laying them. Filled in, and that's because I have to spread mud here when I spread for a corner. So I'm going to spread this, show you what it's supposed to look like when I lay a corner block on top of here. Spread here, here, center spread. That web is also spread. Now I'm ready to set that block. So I'm topping out here, and it's again getting too high for me to pick it up, and I can't like stand over there and find my corner. I have nothing holding me, so I gotta figure out a way to grab this and set it without touching my block I just laid and without dropping it over there and setting it nice. So what I do is I cup the outside corner. So it's gonna set like this, outside corner, I cup it, and I'm gonna grab the corner I just laid. So opposite corners, I go here, I grab the corner with my bottom fingers, and match it up, set it down gently. Then with this one, it's the top course, so all that matters is plumb this way, plumb this way, and then plumb down. Clean this mud up quick. So it's really hard to reach over here because of how low it is in the ground. So I'm going to step back about 4 block on my lead and reach out with my level. Just like that, keeping her tight to the bottom. Gotta go in a little bit. A bit more. And then reach out the other side as well. Same thing, just hanging back so I don't disturb the block. That's it. Top of my lead, I always run down my heads. Good this side. Good that side. Now before I strike up, I gotta check the height with my transit. So I matched my beeper to this height. Alright, I go check on the lead I just built. Alright, so I just gotta tap it down a little bit. Alright, I just double check my straight edge, and that's done. So I laid 3 courses here. Now I can stay on this lead all the way up. That lead's done. I got a jam here. I got a piece. So I got a piece. I can either measure the piece beneath it, or I can measure the gap right there. It is 4 1/4, so 4 1/4 minus 3/4 is 3 1/2. So I gotta make about 6 3 1/2 inch pieces. You leave 3/4 of an inch of space for the head joints on your piece. I get 2 pieces out of 1 block. So I come over here, find 3 1/2, grab it with my finger, slide right down the block, both sides, flip, same thing. Ready to cut. I'm gonna do that on 2 other blocks. Got all my pieces. Come lay them now.